गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम अपनी क्लास में इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर एक्सरसाइज 1.2 क्लास 9th चैप्टर नंबर 1 नंबर सिस्टम इसके बारे में देखेंगे। 1.2 एक्सरसाइज में एक तो नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करना है इरेशनल नंबर को, प्लस ट्रू एंड फॉल्स हैं। इस एक्सरसाइज में रैशनल और इरेशनल नंबर्स के बारे में है, तो हम देख लेते हैं। लास्ट क्लास में भी हमने पढ़ा था इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 1.1 में rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are which we can write in the form of p upon q, where q is not equal to 0. Means the numbers which we can write in the form of ratio of integers. p and q are integers. But if a number cannot be written in the form of p upon q or ratio of integers, then it is known as irrational numbers. On the number line, when we pick up other numbers, we see that there are also remaining numbers on the number line, and these are known as irrational number. Irrational number is the number s. S is any number we can take. It's called irrational if it cannot be written in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. When a number which cannot be written in the form of p upon q and p and q are integers in the form of ratio of integers, then it is known as irrational number. There are some examples. There are many irrational numbers as there are many rational numbers on the number line. Similarly, there are many irrational numbers on the number line. Some examples are under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, under root 6, under root 7, under root 10, under root 11 and so on. Pi is also a irrational number. We take pi value as 22 upon 7 or 3.141. We take it approximate value, not the exact value. And other example is 0.100110 and so on. Now let's come to the next, real number. What is real number? Real number is collection of rational and irrational numbers. When we pick up, we know that in the rational numbers there is rational numbers include natural number, whole number and integers. Rational numbers plus irrational numbers. So collection of rational and irrational numbers is known as real number. So on the number line, there are only rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers include natural number, whole number and integers. Every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line. Also, every point on the number line represents a unique real number. What is it? कि नंबर लाइन पर कोई भी हम कहीं पर एक पॉइंट अगर लेते हैं तो उसका एक यूनिक रियल नंबर होगा। इसी तरीके से कोई भी एक यूनिक रियल नंबर होगा तो उसका कहीं पर नंबर लाइन पर एक यूनिक प्लेस होगा। एवरी नंबर हैज इट्स यूनिक प्लेस ऑन द नंबर लाइन. No two numbers will coincide on the number line. एक के ऊपर एक नंबर कभी भी नहीं आएगा नंबर लाइन पर. हर एक नंबर अपना अलग अलग प्लेस रखता है नंबर लाइन पर. एवरी पॉइंट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी अदर पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट कम टू द डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन. अब अगर मान लो डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन दिया है किसी का, तो हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि ये रैशनल नंबर है कि इरेशनल नंबर है. देखो, डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ अ रैशनल नंबर इज ईदर टर्मिनेटिंग और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिक्योरिंग. कि रैशनल नंबर का जो डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन है या तो वो टर्मिनेटिंग मतलब खत्म हो जाएगा कहीं पर, अगर खत्म नहीं होगा तो रिकरिंग मतलब रिपीट करेगा अपने आप को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सी दिस एग्जाम्पल. इन दिस एग्जाम्पल 0.379 इट इज टर्मिनेटिंग. डेसिमल यहाँ पर खत्म हो गया. और 0.879 डेसिमल यहाँ पर खत्म हो गया. इट इज टर्मिनेटिंग. So it is a rational number. Or in these example we see that 5.37777, or we can write 5.37 bar. It means decimal is not terminating. Decimal khatam nahi hua hai, but it is recurring. It is repeating itself. So it is rational number. Again we can see that 4.26 bar, 7.478478. Here we can see that 478 is repeating itself. We can write 7.478 bar. So it is non-terminating but recurring. So it is a rational number. Let's come to the decimal expansion of irrational number. Decimal expansion of irrational number is non-terminating and non-recurring. Non-terminating and non-recurring. It will not terminate and it will not repeat itself. It will go on and go on. For example, 2.236 and so on, 3.1415 and so on. There will be no bar and there will be dash 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 at the end of the numbers. It means it is going on. It will be non-terminating and non-recurring. We can see through a graph. Decimal expansion, if it is terminating or non-terminating but recurring, but repeat, then it is rational number. If it is not terminating and non-recurring, not repeating itself, then it is rational number. We can see examples, difference through examples. In the first example, it is 0.66666. It is non-terminating but repeating itself. We can write 0.6 bar. Here we can see that 0.6798321. There is non-terminating but non-recurring. Repeat भी नहीं कर रहे हैं खुद को. Then it is non-terminating, non-recurring. It is a rational number. Here we can see that 0.2326. It is terminating, so it is a rational number. Here we can see that there is non-terminating and non-recurring, then it is rational number. In this example, 0.142857 bar. Bar, it means it is recurring, repeating itself. It is non-terminating but recurring, so it is a rational number. Here is non-repeating, non-terminating, so it is a rational number. Some students get confused in such example. For example, 0.10101010, and there is an example 0.1001000100001 and so on. In such examples, we have to see the pattern of the numbers. Like in this one, we see that 101010. It is 10 is repeating itself. So we can write 0.10 bar. So it is repeating itself. It is non-terminating but repeating. So it is a rational number. In irrational numbers, we see that 1 and 0, numbers are 1 and 0, but these are non-terminating and non-recurring. They are not repeating, they are not following a pattern. For example, 1 and 2 times 0, then 1 3 times 0, and 1 4 times 0, 1 and 5 times 0, and so on. So it is not following a pattern. So it is, don't think that 1 and 0 repeating itself. No, this is not repeating. Here is 2 times 0, here is 3 times 0, here 4 times 0. Numbers are 1 and 0 is coming, but they are not following a pattern. So it is non-recurring. So it is a non-recurring, not repeating itself. So this is a irrational number and it is a rational number. Here I have mentioned the under root 2 and pi value. Under root 2 is an irrational number. We can see the numbers. These are not repeating itself. Different numbers are coming and so on. Numbers are following. Numbers are going non-terminating and non-recurring. In the pi, we take only approximate value 22.7, but in actual it have this value and it will go on and go on. It is non-terminating and non-recurring value. You can see the pattern. There is no pattern, so these are irrational numbers. Thank you.